Hi friends, so this video shows how to backup Jenkins jobs. Open Jenkins, then click on manage Jenkins, then click on manage plugins, then you have to install backup plugin. Just search for backup. So this is a plugin which you want to install, backup plugin. I already installed it. Just install that. Then again go to manage plugins. Then scroll down. There you can see backup manager. Click on that. Then click on setup. So this is the directory. This is the root directory of Jenkins. Then here you have to specify the location where you want to store the backup. So let me specify tmb backup 1. Then format zip. So these things you can just ignore it. So then click on save. Then click on this backup heights and configuration. There we can see the log. So you can see Jenkins is going to shut down, waiting all jobs, and you can see backup started at, so it's doing the backup right now, so please wait. You can see full backup. You can see all jobs finished. Full backup file name you can see here. So you can see that backup has completed. So saved file you can see number of errors 0. So let me go to the machine where actually I installed Jenkins. So this is the root directory of Jenkins. So let me go to the location where I store the backup. cd tmb backup 1. So there you can see the zip file. Let me check the size. 447 MB. It's a big file. So if you want to restore, you can just extract this folder to the your extract this zip file to the uh, root directory of your new Jenkins setup. So that way you can restore it. So this is star.gz option. You can try that also. So let me unzip this backup and check what is inside. So it looks like took the backup of everything. So you can see users folder, secret folder, plugins folder, jobs, logs, and everything. So that is why it's showing around for 500 MB I think. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So let me delete this backup. So I'm going to try tar.gz. Save. So backup is going on. Okay, backup has completed. Let me check. Okay, size is again around 445 MB. Okay, so let me go back and let me check what is this restore part. So here you can see, so it's showing the backup. So this is a backup file. So if you want to restore, just select it and restore. This way we can restore it. So all backup will come here. Same file, see this file, tar.gz file. So this way we can restore it. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So if you have any doubt, please comment.